Hello my lovely people, you are welcome to my channel, my YouTube channel. My name is Lady T. You are welcome to Lady Tinted TV. If today is the first time you are come to across my channel, please don't fail to hit the red button, press the notification bell in case anytime I upload new video you'll be the first person to notify. Today I am cooking century soup, just only century, without adding any other thing, without adding bitter leaf or so any other thing, because this century is a medicine and it is good for your body, it is good for your health. So today I decided to prepare it like this, and it's also rich. It's so rich. Now if you want to know how I do it, follow me to my kitchen so that you can know how I prepare this yummy soup. Let's go to the kitchen so that you can know, watch the video to the end, then you enjoy every part of the video. Let's go to the kitchen. Hello my lovely people, you are welcome to my channel. Today I want to cook scent leaf soup. This is the scent leaf I want to make use of. It's already been soaked, so I see it, I soak it down, then I will blend it. Here is my seasoning I want to use. Here is my blended crayfish. Here is the salt to taste. Here is my seasoning cube. Here is my banga palm. Here is onions. Here is fish. Here is pepper. In here is the meat I want to make use of. It's already on the fire. Now I want to add my water so that it can cook properly. Salt and seasoning cube for it to be able to cook properly and have its own taste. So keep tuned, guys. Can you see? Here is the salt. So here is the seasoning cube that I want to make use of now. Before I will go ahead and blend my fresh pepper with my onions and also the scent leaf. I'm adding a little water for the meat to cook because I'm still going to boil hot water to melt the banga that I want to make use of, because it's the water also I'm still going to use to cook the soup. So I will leave this meat to cook, start cooking like this first. I will leave this meat to start cooking like this first, then I start preparing other ingredients that I will make use of. Keep tuned, guys. Now I want to add my chopped onions. As you can see earlier, I show you 2 onions. I will use one to cook the meat, then I will use one to blend the scent leaf. That is for that. Then this meat will take 15 to 20 minutes to cook proper. You can see I want to blend it now. Okay. Can you see that? Can you see? I don't blend and finish. You see how so? I don't blend and finish. See how? Now this one be the real black soup. This one, but I just want to do only scent leaf home because I need it. I just want to cook only scent leaf without adding any other thing. Okay? You can see my meat is properly cooked. Can you see that? It's properly cooked. But I want to remove small out of it. You know, I want to use it to do another thing. Here is the banga. So I want to melt it with hot water. Little hot water. The water is hot. Can you see that? I see that. Wow. want to steam it now. See? You see the reason why you need to steam it? So throw that one away. Now I will turn this one inside my cooking meat with scented leaf that I've blended. Here is the cooking meat. Now I'm turning it. So I'll let it boil a little again. Now it's boiled. I want to turn the scented leaf I blend so far. Can you see that? I see the aroma is everywhere already. The aroma is everywhere already. Scented leaf soup is medicinal. I said today I want to cook scented leaf soup without adding any other leaf to it. Can you see that? Then I want to wash my fish and add it to it so that they can cook together. Can you see that? Wow. So in this particular point you can add anything you wish you want to add. Allow it to cook well, dry little so that it can thick little, giving some time to cook properly. Then later I will add my crayfish and you can taste. Maybe giving like 5-10 minutes, you test for seasoning. If it's not enough, you can add to it at this point. That's for that. Now, can you see the soup? Can you see? At this point, I want to add my crayfish because the soup is what? It's almost ready. Can you see? It's not thick. You know this pot was filled up before. So. The aroma of scented leaf is everywhere. Nah, please call it all the neighbor. The aroma is everywhere. The aroma is everywhere. At this point, you can taste. If you want to add the salt, if you want to add the pepper, anything you feel like at all. At this point, you can check. But mine is perfectly okay. That's for that. Let's just give him a minute. Everything is ready. Now the soup is perfectly ready. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you. You are 1 in a million. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your subscription. I thank my new subscriber, my old subscriber. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. But if today is the first time you come across to this channel, please, before you watch this video to the end, subscribe to my channel. My name is Lady Tinted. You are welcome to Lady Tinted TV. Subscribe. In this channel you can see so many things. You can watch so many videos, how I do my cooking, and also other entertainment that I did. Please, my lovely people, help me to share my video. Drop your comment, drop your opinion, give this video a like. Please subscribe, my lovely people. God bless you all. Until see me in my next video, or I will see you. Bye bye for now. One love, keep us together. This is scented leaf soup. This aroma is everywhere. This soup you can also use it to eat rice. You swallow anything eatable. It's like pepper soup. Can you see that? Can you see? If you can add water again, but mine is okay like this. If you can make it more thicker, but it's perfectly okay like this. Okay, trust me, my people, you will enjoy this soup. This is scent leaf. You can use any leaf of your choice to make black soup. Today I decided to use just scent leaf alone. You can see it why I ground it myself. You can also use bitter leaf to make your black soup. Any leaf at all, they are so rich. Any leaf at all, they are so rich. This soup is so rich. Okay, my people, thank you. Especially this scent leaf is a medicinal. It's a medicinal. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you. 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 Bye bye for now.